Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Sierra 2500 HD. The GMC Sierra 2500 HD has all your workhorse basics covered. No worries here. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel independent suspension, power sunroof, rear window defroster, navigation system, HD radio, Sirius satellite radio, steering wheel audio controls. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.